Hi, my name is Tim, and I'm the Deputy Director of Data Science and Analytics at Indiana's Family and Social Services Administration. Today, I'll be talking a little bit about how we at FSSA are leveraging a cloud analytics environment to support long-term services and supports in Indiana. Long-term services and supports, which are commonly abbreviated as LTSS, are services that help people with functional limitations due to physical, cognitive, or mental illnesses and disabilities. LTSS can be delivered in institutional settings, such as nursing facilities, or in home and community based settings, such as adult day centers. At FSSA, we are really focused on optimizing Indiana's long term services and supports. This is so that Hoosiers who need these services receive the care where and when they need it. This effort will remove barriers that prevent Hoosiers from choosing where they age. It will increase and incentivize quality and equity, create outcomes focused care, and create a sustainable LTSS system for the growing population of older adults. To better allow us to determine the impact of programs, one of our key results is to create a cloud analytics environment that integrates data and links individuals, providers, and facilities across traditionally siloed data systems. Thousands of Hoosiers rely on long-term services as they age. According to the AARP, Indiana ranks 44th out of 50 states in overall provided LTSS services, 41st in affordability and accessibility, and 48th in choice of setting and providers. The need to improve Indiana's approach to LTSS has never been greater. Between 2010 and 2030, the proportion of Hoosiers over 65 will grow from 13% to 20%. Indiana's long-term services and supports are currently managed through a variety of largely disconnected platforms, resulting in a fragmented picture of the services that an individual has received, and very few pathways to effectively link those services to clinical outcomes. At FSSA, we believe long-term services and support optimization requires thoughtful attention and innovation in the following areas. First, knowledge is power. Hoosiers should know their options and how to obtain services that align with their needs. In a 2018 AARP survey, over 75% of people aged 50 and up stated they prefer to age in their own home. Currently, only 45% of Hoosiers getting LTSS through Medicaid receive care in a home or community-based setting, whereas the remaining 55% received care at a nursing facility. Second, timing is everything. Many aging Hoosiers are dissuaded from accessing home and community-based services. This is because of enrollment and care coordination barriers that prevent them from receiving home and community-based services in a timely manner. Meanwhile, the process for accessing institutional LTSS is comparatively fast and easy, leading many individuals and families to choose facility-based care in times of crisis. And third, visibility is key. It is fair to say that everyone wants high quality care that leads to improved outcomes. Currently, the quality of care given by an LTSS provider is measured only on a limited basis. And in many cases, payment is not tied to measures of quality or outcomes. Stakeholders and decision makers must be able to understand the whole picture, which is currently hindered by gaps in population statistics and siloed data infrastructures. So, FSSA will support these critical areas of innovation through a cloud analytics platform. This will allow data sourced from multiple systems, both internal to the state and external, to be brought into one comprehensive environment where records can be linked to one another, analyzed with powerful tools, and disseminated to stakeholders. There are two main streams of data storage and processing that really help enable this environment to be agile and flexible. The first is Azure Data Lakes. So the data lake supports the inclusion of new data sources and innovative use cases. This serves as a proving ground for relevance and form for data and for data products. As these use cases are developed, data can be standardized and stored using Azure Synapse Analytics. In this platform, we now have structured data that is optimized to support ad hoc analyses, dashboards and applications, program evaluation, and advanced analytics. Sitting on top of this is all the tools that one would need to create information from data. So, popular business intelligence tools such as Tableau, or other statistical analyses and programming tools such as R, Python, and SAS. The cloud analytics environment creates efficient, trusted, and timely distribution of information. This will ultimately improve our quality measurement, shared knowledge, and help us eliminate blind spots. So, in terms of securing powerful knowledge, with one centralized location, LTSS data and information from across the LTSS spectrum can be integrated, leading to improved care management on an individual basis, while also allowing us to better define and measure goals and outcomes at a population level. In regard to improved timing, migrating to the cloud analytics environment increases our storage and processing capacity while eliminating costly barriers to traditional ingestion patterns. This reduces the time it takes to implement new processes, new data sources, and the creation of new data products. Finally, by bringing multiple sources together, FSSA is now able to tell the whole story of the LTSS population. This will allow us to measure services at the individual, provider, and facility level while reducing blind spots in the LTSS population. All of these enhancements are directly in line with FSSA's effort to become more data driven in the day to day operations and decision making. The cloud analytics environment will not only improve the state's long term services and supports, but its effect will ripple throughout the agency, allowing for a more nimble response to community challenges and providing FSSA the tool to tackle the state's greatest health and social needs.